So since it's World Collage Day, and this is a collage slash drawing wall, it's really exciting. I'm excited about these little pieces. It's called Flaws and Fragments, and because it's here in my show, Beautiful Mistake, as one of the drawing walls, as an installation, it's all about, those happy accidents, the little things that get left behind, sometimes get cast out and unrecognized. Sometimes people dismiss something, but then what some person dismisses, another person loves. So it's kind of a testimony and a testament to that. Like remembering that everything has a place and a purpose, and that's what I see on this collage drawing wall called Flaws and Fragments. It's all about those happenstance moments where things just arrange themselves and come together, and that excites me to no end, and not just in my art process and my art practice, but in life. I'm always looking for those little synchronicities and those little moments of things that shake you awake, or when someone finally reveals something to you after the longest time. You can't force that, and sometimes it just has to be in the flow. So that's how these were all assembled too, really in this flow state, when you start to see the disparaging parts where they start to come together and intermingle and intermix. So what I also love is how sometimes they don't go together, or you think they shouldn't go together, but it eventually, the way you compose it, it makes it sing. And I think that talks so much about how we can look at life and the differences that are in life. So it's really important to me as a theme on Beautiful Mistake show and my art process, but just in living, to not discredit anything, because you never know what's going to be the opening. So it's simple, but it's complex, and that's another thing, playing with that. Opposites, it can really go, it can go like this, woo, like an accordion. I think it's important to give voice to that and speak to what it means for me, right? Hence it's my show, and I'm the artist. And I love the depth, and it really comes from my life too. It doesn't just come from nothing. That's for sure.